Hi, welcome to Nabropure Water. In this video, we're going to show you how to use our vending machine. First, you need to bring your own water bottle. You can buy these type of water bottles from Bunnings or camping stores. Today, we are going to use Nabropure BPA-free water bottle. We highly recommend to use BPA-free bottles because they are better for the environment and better for your health. Now we're going to put the bottle in the machine. When you put your water bottle in the machine, please make sure the water spout is aligned with your bottle. If your bottle has a tap on the bottom of your bottle, please make sure they're not in the way of the door. They might affect the position of your bottle. I'll just put it aside. Now, we're going to pick the amount of water. We have 4 liters, 10 liters, 15 liters, and 19 liters. Today, we are going to fill 15 liters, and it says $4. Watch it fill in less than 80 seconds. It's easy and fast, and dispenses crystal clear water without fluoride, chlorine, or any other chemicals. It's done. Now we close the cap. And take the water bottle out.